Hi, this is Lee Phillips. I want to talk to you for 2 seconds as a small business owner. You've got your business. It's probably your most valuable asset. You may not think that it's your most valuable asset. It's your biggest pain in the butt, but it's your most valuable asset. You go down and you do estate planning, you go see one lawyer, or you go to one internet site, or whatever it is. You get your trust, you get your will. And that's great. You avoid probate. You go to the lawyer, you set up your LLC, you do your LLC on the internet, wherever you get your LLC. And you are the officer, director. In LLCs, they're called members, the owners, and managers, the officers and directors. If you've got a corporation, you're the officer, director, and you're the stockholder. And you own your little company. That's great, no problem. However, we never interface the estate planning with the business planning. The lawyers don't do it very often, and certainly the internet sites never put the two together. We've got to put the two together for you because your business is an asset. It will be probated when you die. So we've got to avoid the probate. And the fact is, 95% of the businesses in the United States, they fail. When the owner dies, it's over with. One of the major reasons is the family, the heirs, the guys who are taking over the business, they can't get it through probate fast enough to sell it or to actually operate it because the court's going to be in on all of the stuff that's going on while your business ownership is in probate. And it's really hard to manage a business through the courts. So, the way you do it is you set up your living revocable trust, and then you are not the member anymore. You're not the stockholder anymore. The living revocable trust is the stockholder. Now, I've got another couple of YouTube videos on how to do this. If you're going to be a subchapter S, either as a taxation of your LLC or a taxation of your corporation. If it's subchapter S, you've got to have a very special living revocable trust. Otherwise, the IRS comes back in and says, no. You're not a subchapter S. You're a C corporation. We're going to recalculate all your taxes, and that's a disaster. So you have to have the right trust, and you have to be able to make it so that the business is owned by the trust, not by you. And there's a lot of things we've got to do to get from here to make it so your business is not going to be probated when you die. But you can kind of tell, I get a little wound up about this. This is important because the family loses Dad's medical practice when he dies, because by the time we can sell it, it goes through probate. All the clients, they've gone bye-bye. So we've got to get it so that there's an instant transfer when you die of power in the company, no probate. Whoever you pick can go on and manage it, can sell the business, the practice, do whatever they need to in order to wrap up your estates or to carry on the family business. So this is critical. We've got to interface estate planning and business structuring. And that's very seldom done for the small business person. So I'm going to lead you through a series on trusts, and you've already done the formalities and stuff of the business. That's great. We've got a series on how to do the formalities of the business. Make sure you get the tax benefits. Make sure you get the asset protection. But we've also got to make sure that you do the estate planning right. This is Lee Phillips, and I'm kind of passionate about not losing your business or Dad's business when Dad dies, so that you can take over the business and not have it be stuck in the courts.